We believe powerful communication can drive lasting change. That's why, in collaboration with Amazon India's CSR team, we conducted a hands-on workshop for staff from their partner NGOs across the country. The focus? Practical communication tools grounded in field realities. Participants explored the fundamentals of photography, understood framing, light, and perspective, and learned to capture real stories from the field with clarity and purpose. They worked with what they already had: their mobile phones, learning how to use them effectively for storytelling that connects. We also introduced easy-to-use Google tools for better collaboration, documentation, and impact reporting. More than just training, this was about confidence. Empowering grassroots teams to speak with visuals, with voice, with intent, because every story from the field deserves to be seen and heard, building capacity while building stories.